I've got the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to enter and also how to exit recovery mode on this phone. So to enter recovery mode, then you first of all have to connect your phone to a computer via the data cable that came in the box. Now you can use that one or any other data cable, just as long as it's a data cable and it can actually transfer data between the two devices. So with your computer on and your phone on, the first thing you want to do is connect that cable. Now once you connect it, and on the computer, if you're asked to allow accessory to connect, make sure you go ahead and allow that and grant that permission. Now the next thing you want to do is go to your phone. So I'm also being asked to allow access to phone data. I have to tap on allow. Okay. Now, next thing you want to do is turn off your phone. So I'll just swipe down and then tap on the turn off button and then power off my Z Fold 6. With the Z Fold 6 switched off and my cable still connected, long press on the volume up and the power button. And you want to long press until the Samsung logo appears. And as soon as it appears, you can let go of the power button and continue holding volume up. Okay, so let's do this together. Now, obviously the phone is charging because it's connected to this computer, which is on. And keep in mind that this could be any computer. It could be a Windows computer, a Mac, doesn't really matter. So, phone is off, power button, volume up, press and hold, the two buttons. Keep holding, keep holding, keep holding. Samsung logo appears, let go of the power button, keep holding the volume up button. And that takes us into recovery mode, as you can see. So that is basically how to do that. Now you can do your thing inside recovery mode by scrolling using the volume rockers, volume down to scroll down, volume up to scroll up, and then you have the side button to select or enter. So to exit recovery mode, all you have to do is make sure Reboot System Now is highlighted and then press on the side button to exit. So to confirm that. So press that. That's going to reboot the phone back into Android or the Samsung UI operating system. So that is basically how to enter and also how to exit recovery mode on your Galaxy Z Fold 6. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.